All right, we're going to look at number 4 in section 6.1. We're finding the area of the region between the graphs of the functions f and g here. Again, your functions might slightly different than these over the interval from 0 to 2. So again, it's helpful to graph the functions, somewhat carefully. Um, I'm not going to worry about finding the points of intersection. You could, where these graphs intersect here and down here. But since it's over the interval from 0 to 2, I know that I'm bounded between x equals 0, which is the y-axis, and the vertical line x equal 2. So when I graph them, we can clearly see on the interval from 0 to 2 that the linear function f of x equals 6x plus 8 is above the quadratic function x squared plus 3x plus 2. So remember, when we find the area bounded between these two curves, it's a vertically simple region. Every vertical line will hit the same top function, if you will, and same bottom function. And the way we integrate then is just to integrate from 0 to 2 with respect to x, and we integrate the top function minus the bottom function. Right? You think about that. If we integrate just the top function, the f of x, we would get the total area under that curve. If I integrate the g of x function here, I would get this white unshaded area down here. And so clearly, when I subtract, I'm going to get this shaded region that we want. And so here it is. The top function is the function f of x, which is 6x plus 8. And the bottom function is g of x, which is this quadratic function. And there's the main setup. This is pretty easy then, I would hope, for you to evaluate this. We just want to simplify. So I've got 6x minus 3x is 3x, 8 minus 2 is 6, and a negative x squared. Antiderivative of 3x is 3 halves x squared. Antiderivative of 6 is 6x, and the antiderivative of x squared is 1/3 x cubed. I evaluate that at the upper limit of 2, that's what I've done here, and the lower limit of 0. When I do that and simplify my result, I get 46/3. And that is the area in square units of that shaded region between those two functions. Okay, I hope this is helpful.